something like this. Wide shot, you should kiss that. Light one, make the grip tact. I can make it jiggy with the skip back. Blow it out, bring the kit back. Rhythm resonate me from the baseline. In the gut where it stays at. It's a vision, can you see it? Paint the page black. For the figures, see their face stats. Very trippy cause they with me everyday facts. It's in the code if you trace back. Gully tempo tackle them, it's a hijack. Feet stomp to beat, bring try back. Now till you see them come strapped. Hearts sink to drum, we slam down. Unlock the gates for gang now. Because you know that the answer's in the dance now. And we ride the wave till they spellbound. Make them like the light for the secret rhythm. I give you pleasure with the sweetest vision. I give you pleasure with the deepest answer.
Hi guys, this is Chitranshi Dhyani and I'm walking for Asian Fashion Week. My makeup is done by UK International. Anjana has done my makeup and I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, I got my makeup done today from Mansi, who's a student at UK International Beauty School, and she did a great job, exactly how I like it, very natural, and I hope she achieved great success. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Divya Chauhan and my makeup has been done by UK International. So just take the look on my eyes, and this look is totally mesmerizing. So you can see the work on my eyes. It's a smoky brown color and I really loved it so well. So thank you so much UK International School. Love you.